How to turn on AirDrop on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have the Apple Watch Series 9 running on watch OX11 or OX11.1, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily turn on or enable AirDrop on your Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once. Once you press the digital crown once, you'll be taken to your Apple Watch Series 9 app screen. On the app screen, locate settings and click on it. Then on your Apple Watch Series 9 settings page, scroll down using the digital crown or just use the screen, scroll down and go to general. Then click on it. While on the general page, when you scroll down the page, just keep scrolling. Then you'll see AirDrop under bedside mode. You only see this if you are running on latest Watch OS 11. Then once you click on it, you should see start sharing by bringing devices together. If this is turned off in your home case, go ahead and turn it on. And once you turn that on, you'll see exchange contact information by holding your Apple Watch close to another iPhone or Apple Watch. And then you're good to go. Then that has turned on the AirDrop on your Apple Watch Series 9. To turn it off, repeat the process. So under general, scroll down and click on AirDrop. And then disable start sharing by bringing devices together. Once that is disabled, then the AirDrop will turn off. So that is basically how to turn on or turn off AirDrop on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.